Stay with us until the end to thoroughly explore every detail of this unit. Discover the condominium amenities that make this property truly special. Numbers matter. We will dive into a specific market analysis for this project. Stay tuned. Knowledge is power when it comes to real estate decisions. If this property resonates with you, don't hesitate. Our contact details are conveniently located at the top of the screen. Engage with us. Make a micro effort. Like this video to help us reach more viewers. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest property insights. Click the bell button to receive updates about other properties in Bangkok that make sense. I'm Win-Win, your friendly guide at CondoDee Eternal Property. Let's explore together.
Myself down to the bottom. Here is no place to hide and no one can call me. My name is so dirty, call me dirty girl. You made me a sinner, so I'm on my own. Falling apart, there's stopping to lose. I'm clumsy and not you call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear you can call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear you can call me a loser. 쏟아리